content. Let's go for see that how to download Facebook videos from Facebook and for your necessary, not for some people harassing. Like you need to fun and you need to do it for your video editing. You can download any video from Facebook easily. Let's go. Let's see. This is the video. This is the video we are seeing. This video's duration is 1 minute to 29 seconds. Let's see how to download it. First of all, copy this URL. Next, you have to go there, new tab, and search DOWN, download Facebook video. Let's enter. You'll find a website from there, Facebook video downloader. After you're searching, it will be on top. Then you need to click on it simply, and there will be Facebook link that you have copied from there. This is the Facebook link that you copied, then you need to paste here. Simply you need to paste here and click on download. Let's see, we got the video that we want to download, that we have to download, and we need to download it and trying to edit it our best quality for our making funny video or other thing. Like now we are downloading it. Let's see how downloading starts. Let's take a little time. This is the video. Click on there, and there is the video. It is we got from Facebook. Now see.
Like আমার কাছে এসে কান্নাকাটি করছে, ভাইয়া আমি কেমনে এন্টারপ্রেনার হব, আমার কাছে তো কোনো ক্যাপিটাল নাই। আমি বলি, আর ইউ ফাকিং কিডিং মি? আরে বোকাচোদা, তোর ভিতরে যে কত লাখ।
Okay, let's see. And now how do we edit it? Let's see from cut, and there will be, you must have a video editing software like I have this one, CapCut. You need to create a project, import, then this is the video that you downloaded just now. Then you can edit it as you want. There is the all option, there is available, there is speed, there is audio. You can high volume, you can give high volume.
কাকাকে বলে যে ভাইয়া আমি কেমনে এন্টারপ্রেনার হব।
Look, also speed, everything is here. Animation, you can animate anything from there like this. See, now see, let's see the video.
And like পোলাপাইন আমার কাছে এসে কান্নাকাটি করে যে ভাইয়া আমি কেমনে এন্টারপ্রেনার হব, আমার কাছে তো কোনো ক্যাপিটাল নাই।
You can now, if you want to post your Facebook account or any other account, you need to tag, write a tag to you. I think you can speed make something better than audio. Okay, no problem. Animation, okay, everything okay. And now effects, as your necessary, you can edit anything from there like that. I will give it in this one. let's see. There is the this is the effect we have done it. Now play it.
ভাইয়া আমি কেমনে এন্টারপ্রেনার হবো? আমার কাছে তো কোনো ক্যাপিটাল নাই। আমি বলি, আর ইউ ফাকিং কিডিং মি? আরে বোকাচোদ।
Okay, now you can also doing another thing from there like that. Transition, you can add your own channel logo from there like that. I am editing, importing a new picture. Let's see, I'm showing you this one, my channel logo. If you want, you can also add it to your this is your channel name, this is my channel name. You can add your own channel name as that way. Okay, that is the process of your downloading video, and after some editing. I hope you will understand, and you can um, download, and easily you can make a video for your channel or pages, anything. That's it. That is our today's class. Hopefully that will be helpful for you. Follow, like and subscribe me. Bye.